To fix WhatsApp calls not showing on POCO F7 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the settings, scroll down in the settings and choose apps, and then over here we need to find WhatsApp. There we go. Let's go over here and let's choose app permissions. Over here we need to make sure that some permissions are granted. For example, we can grant call logs. We can also grant the camera if you want to use it, of course, as well as contacts, but most likely you want to grant permissions to the phone and messaging. There we go. Of course, the rest is pretty much optional, but the microphone, well, we can grant the permission for microphone as well. And that should be it in terms of the most important ones. Perhaps contacts as well if you want to use them. I'm pretty sure you do want to have contacts here as well. And that's about it. Now, if that didn't help, you can also try to go to notifications and status bar in the settings, and then we want to go to lock screen, and over here we want to make sure that in lock screen notifications that are allowed, WhatsApp is actually allowed to use those notifications. If you don't have WhatsApp over here, then you need to find it in the list of notifications, list of apps, and that have notifications not allowed. So let's say that this is the app, so you want to show the permissions and make sure that lock screen notification is enabled, among other things as well. So you can, in general, adjust these notification settings for WhatsApp. Besides that, if you go to the lock screen, you can also check if the format is set to show notification and content, at least just for now, in order to see if that helps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.